Hi everyone, my name is Thiru Reddy. I want to talk to you about our Yantri Labs cognitive learning experiments we've done in financial markets. Our idea, our hypothesis, and the kind of results we're seeing doing this experiment. Stock price prediction is essentially the business of predicting the future. Stock prices are results of complex interaction of many factors and practices such as adaptation, evolution, and camouflaging by the various speculators in the market. Our experiment is trying to predict the behavior of such markets, identify patterns in real time to be able to predict the future. History repeats itself, at least it does more often than not. This is a principal assumption in our method for modeling the behavior of stock prices, which is inherently the behavior of the speculators who are affecting the price. Our assumption takes into account that before an algorithm or a rule set that a trader has decided is not effective and has discarded it, he's at least used that algorithm several times. That means the number of times he's used a particular condition, situation to decide that the price would move up or down, he would replicate that, he would reuse that method a few more times, algorithm a few more times before he decides that it's not working for him. So if you had a count and an accurate measurement of all the times that a certain decision on price was made in those conditions, and if similar condition repeats in the present, then if you made a bet that the similar outcome would prevail, you would be more often right than wrong. The second principal assumption is, how do I study what are the past patterns that have occurred in the market? What are the various conditions under which what kind of decisions were made by the various speculators? Our assumption focuses primarily on the order book, the limit order book. We believe that the limit order book, with a high degree of accuracy, reflects what the speculators are saying. This is where they put their money where their mouth is. They assimilate all the factors that affect stock price and then reflect their sentiment in the order book. We believe that by studying the order book extensively in great depth and in great vast expanses of time, we would be able to derive information about the behavior of the various traders and speculators in the market. And we believe that there is a certain shelf life to that kind of a predictability, a very short time, maybe in a matter of a few minutes. And our method of putting these assumptions together and building a system on top of that involves another unique idea, which is typically not used in large models like DeepFace and DeepMind, where one big learner or one big model is built. In our setting, the reality is ever evolving. Imagine a face that is evolving every day and you're supposed to still recognize that with a deep face. So we are in the business of being up to date and learning new realities every day, every time the stock prices have moved. And our method is built to suit that. We, instead of building one large model, we build many smaller models who have demonstrated expertise and strong learning in a smaller space of that domain of the past. We train our models on several years of order book information and we will train thousands of models, tens of thousands of models for each security. And we then have a way to derive consensus when we have to make a prediction at any given point in time. Each of these small models, in a way, reflect what is instinct. Each of them have a specialized reaction to a specific situation. But when you put all these models together, we derive what we believe is intuition. Given our principal assumptions and the method they have developed, it's quite portable to any type of security that has an order book, whether it is cash market tickers, derivatives, cash currency markets, or even commodities. We have successfully demonstrated that we are able to generate high precision signals for stocks, about 45 tickers in the National Stock Exchange. We will continue to develop this further. We are a group of mathematicians and computer scientists. We have been working in this space of modeling and data science even before the word data science was coined, over 2 decades. We've applied these methods in orthogonal spaces of biology and bioinformatics in the past, and this is our foray into doing this in the financial markets. We will keep you updated with the latest in our further editions of our videos. Thank you.